Want to add a new admin to your Facebook page? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to give someone admin access and help manage your page. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the menu icon at the top left corner. Scroll down and open Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Now, scroll down until you find Page Setup. Tap on it. Next, select Page Access. Here, you'll see the people who already have access to your Facebook page. To add a new admin, tap Add New next to People with Facebook Access. Facebook will show some information about page access. Tap Next to continue. Now, search for the person you want to add. Select the correct profile from the search results. You'll see the permissions this person will receive. To make them a full admin, scroll down and turn on. Allow this person to have full control. This gives them complete access to manage your Facebook page. After that, tap Give Access. Facebook may ask you to enter your password for confirmation. Enter your password and tap Confirm. Now an invitation will be sent to that person. Once they accept the invitation, they will become an admin of your Facebook page. I have a quick tip. Only give full control access to people you trust because admins can manage page settings, posts, and other important features. And that's it. Now you know how to add an admin to your Facebook page easily.